Right, so this is the Mouse backpack, the day backpack, and we are going to throw it off of that roof. So in 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me start off by apologizing. If you want to see tech dropped, please head over to Mouse's YouTube channel. I just want to give you my thoughts and my feelings on the Mouse Day Backpack. Now, I headed over to their website and it's a bit of a confusing mess because there's 4 different versions of this bag. There's the basic one offering the least protection, then there's the Aerofoam technology one, then there's an Ultrex version which is Mouse's best outside material on a backpack. And then there's also the Mercedes AMG version which features the Ultrex material as well. All 4 of the bags have different price points, with the basic being the cheapest, Mercedes version being the most expensive. Lowest priced. I personally have the Aerofoam technology bag as I wanted to keep my laptop somewhat protected from accidental drops. Personally, I really like the design. I think the logo is sleek, it's elegant, but that's just my view. I've fully tested this backpack over the last 6 months, and I thought for sure heavy rain would be its downfall. In the UK, I had a lot of heavy rain, and I can quite comfortably confirm that it handles it like a champ.
So this has become a proper test of the backpack because it's properly raining in the UK at the moment. Yeah, I like it. I think it's stable. I can run in it. It doesn't give me any problems or anything. So, yeah.
And that was to my surprise, and it was still bone dry inside. Even when the bag got hit by a pressure washer accidentally, which was not on purpose, I assure you. Yeah, but it did get blasted by a pressure washer and it was still dry inside, so thumbs up. Thanks, Mouse. But yeah, it's extremely lightweight and comfortable. It's got a G-hook, which is a nice touch. It might rub some people the wrong way or scratch your device, but the bag is perfect for a daily carry or commute, holding everything you need in a sleek, organized profile. This bag hits the mark for me personally. I would use it to travel on a plane, yeah. Would it fit under the seat nicely? Yeah. But do remember, this bag is only a 20 to 22 litre capacity, so there isn't loads of room in this bag. But I believe Mouse believes in their backpacks because they come with a 25-year warranty. So I think that speaks of the quality that they believe these backpacks have. Now, I'm no fanboy. I've only owned one other Mouse product, and that being their notorious phone cases. And I was impressed with the quality, and their packaging is spot on. But I suppose for the price you pay, you should have that luxury to attention to detail. So yeah, spot on again. Nice one for that. A lot of people have complained saying access, and yeah, I just don't see the complaint personally. You know, the bag has a zip. My only real concern was obviously I have the black here, so it had a grey inside, so I was a bit concerned how dirty and how easily that would get dirty. As you can see, it's not dirty. After 6 months of using it, it's still relatively clean. I've took this on weekend trips with all my tech and it's been just fine. I'd say probably my only gripe with this bag is that it doesn't have an AirTag holder and there's no glasses pocket. Like, you couldn't have just stuck one here, Mouse? Like, come on. Yeah, that brings me to my final question. The question that you're probably wanting me to answer for you, which is, do I think you should buy this bag? Chances are, if you're already pondering that question, you've already considered buying one. And if you're gonna buy one, try and get a discount. I mean, I've paid for expensive designer bags, cheaper backpacks, and sports brands like Adidas and Nike ones, and hands down, this is the best backpack I've personally owned. It suits my needs. What would I rate the backpack? I guess I gotta give it a solid 8 to 9 out of 10, and that's that's not me being generous, that's just what I think of the bag. Like, I think it's a wicked bag. So nice one, Mous, for making this. For more content like this, smash a like, subscribe, and yeah, thank you, and have a good one. Peace.